Well, we had a massive storm at night. It was 50-knot winds in the marina, and a number of boats actually had some sails get ripped off. One boat actually had its ropes broke and it moved. It got pushed over. This is my neighbor's boat. I had to go rescue his sail in the morning. It was actually wrapping around the boat next to it, so I took it down, and as you can see here, just tied it up. I didn't make it unscathed. 2 a.m. My boat had the furler, just the tip of it started to unravel. I guess I didn't make it tight when I rolled it, and the wind caught into it and it was pulling it out tight, and it just kept flapping violently. As you can see from the picture here, it actually pulled so hard it snapped the inside of the roller on the furler, the half on the right. There has a big hole in it. So then it unfurled, but it was still tied up. So I ended up cutting the ropes, and then it took me about an hour and a half to get the sail down because it was jammed in the wind track. So here's just some pictures, and unfortunately I didn't film it because I had panic going on at 2 in the morning. But as you can see, I got it back together here anyways at the end, so enjoy the video. Alright, just working on the sail here today. Lubed, got some silicone lube in, and basically I'm attempting to just re-tie the sail. I had some problems with the furler, and the problem I had made it so that I couldn't actually take the sail down. It was just way too much effort, and now this is like a piece of cake. After re-siliconing and cleaning out the groove, I guess there was just too much stuff on it. So yeah, so that silicone worked great. What I did was I took the silicone spray and I just sprayed it in the track, and then I went along the beaded edge of the sail to put it up. And I've got a Furlex system. It's a 200S Furlex, and this thing just works awesome in terms of a roller furler. And then, like I said, pulling it up has been super easy. Now that I've got the track greased, so the way I run this one, I'm going to fix that this winter. Whoever, the gentleman that owned the boat before me, I don't know, I can't figure out exactly actually how he expected this halyard to work, kind of the way that it is here. So that's all the way up, and now I'm gonna do a clove hitch. And that's all I really need to do. Just tidy up the halyard and put this on the deck. And now I'm gonna tie the sheets to the clew, and to do that I just use bowlines primarily.
a bowline. Just basically in and around the tree, back down through the hole, and that's it. This thing will just pull tighter and tighter and tighter until there's nothing, until it's so tight nothing will happen. Alright, so around and through. Alright, I try to tie one knot just a little bit shorter than the other, mainly just so it doesn't bunch up because it has to cross the mast here. Alright, so this I need to put on the clue, or the tack, sorry. And now I'm going to put some tension on this thing. And then reel it in. I think this sail position's a hove too. Okay, it's on the wrong side of the mast. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is just and that didn't work at all. I'm trying to remember if there's something I need to do to unlock it. But I don't think so. So is there something not allowing this to work? I don't know why that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Oh, that's why. There's way too much tension on this thing. So this is the reason it didn't work. I had my lines tied up on each other. There. So that is gotta do some maintenance here. Screws are coming out. Alright, so that's the furler. And then there is one thing you're supposed to do so that it doesn't unfurl. I don't know how you do it when it's tied though. You're supposed to clip the line through here so it doesn't accidentally unfurl. Basically, if you hold this down, you should just get like a small lock or something so it doesn't turn. But that seemed to work out all right. I still have how much cards? Oh yeah, I got lots of turns in there. Too many. Probably can let some out. Okay, so it's looking good though. This line's done. Gotta get changed. Alright, so this is the silicone I'm using. 3-in-1 silicone. Quick drying, no mess, safe on metal, rubber, wood, and vinyl. So I think it's just graphite silicone, so it's the same thing as sail lube. So anyways, signing off. That's the furler repair.